Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you yet another Ganzo Firebird knife that I would like to share with you, and this is the model number, so F7542-GR. Okay, so the box is just your standard Ganzo box, very nicely executed. I have talked about that in the past. Inside of a box, your standard pouch, always good to have, always good to see. A packet of silica gel and the knife itself. Okay, so the F7542 GR stands for green for some reason, I don't know why, but okay. Is a really nicely executed knife. So we have stainless steel construction liners with G10 backspacer and G10 scales. Really nice green color that is Ganzo using on this knife. And we have a really nice functional full thread grounded blade made out of 440C, made by Ganzo, of course. There is the model number, and we have an excellent stone washed finish. The knife is using a axis lock for locking, so this is a lock developed by Benchmade. It features a really nice large lanyard hole for all your lanyard attachments, a polished spider claw or generic pocket clip with blued hardware, and this model comes in a black, orange and green variants. So size wise, the overall length is 21.2 centimeters or 8.3 inch. The blade is made out of 440C, is 9.3 centimeters or 3.7 inch. The blade width is 2.7 centimeters or 1 inch. The blade thickness is 3 millimeters stock or 0.12 inch. And the handle is 12.1 centimeters or 4.8 inches. The handle thickness is 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inch. The handle is made out of stainless steel, which is milled out, so there are pockets here and also here to reduce the weight. And the weight is 122.3 grams or 4.3 ounces. Like I mentioned previously, Ganzo, now called Firebird, is a Chinese-made company, and they produce a well above average quality, high value knives. So price wise, you are looking for around $18 to $20, depends on your place of purchase. I will try to put a link down below if you are interested in this knife, so you can get and check it out. And let's face it, for $18, this is a great option out there. In my opinion, so blade shape wise, this one reminds me strongly to Ontario's Red One. And maybe there comes also the inspiration of the blade, because they're almost the same. So obviously the red one is a little bit larger and has Oswald 8, but now you can also get it in D2, but this will be, of course, almost double the price of this one. This is a classic, in my opinion. Really nice, large handle. I had this knife for a few years now. I have a few of them, of course, because why not? They are still excellent. Ooh, sorry about that. It's a little bit hard to open it in gloves, to flick it. But this one, no problem. Okay. So this was the Ganzo Firebird F7542 GR, and before I go, let's see a few size comparisons. So this is the large reptilian, this is the Endura. They're almost the same size, they're a little bit larger. Also I have here a Kershaw Blur, also excellent EDC, a little bit smaller, and small. And since it is here on the table, Sugar Knives Model 95. So, if you have any questions, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.